In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot sound issues in Chrome when your audio unexpectedly stops working on specific websites. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to watch or listen to something and suddenly there's no sound. But don't worry, we're going to walk through a few steps to help you sort this out. To start, let's address the simplest solution, which might just fix the problem right away. If you find that only one particular site is silent, you should first try unmuting that specific website. Here's how you do it. Navigate to the tab of the website that's mute, right-click on that tab, and look for the option labeled Unmute Site. Click on it if it's available. This simple action might restore sound to that site. If unmuting the site doesn't do the trick, we need to dig a bit deeper into Chrome's sound settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Head over to the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the three-dot menu. From this drop-down, select Settings. Once in Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security. Afterwards, click on Site Settings. Now, scroll down to the section for Content and click on Sound. Here, ensure that the Sites Can Play Sound option is enabled. Also, remove any websites listed under Not Allowed to Play Sound, which may inadvertently include the site that's giving you trouble. Should the sound issue still persist, it may be time to clear out some clutter from your browser. This means clearing the cache. Here's how you do it. Go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and this time, select Clear Browsing Data. Pay attention to the option for cached images and files and make sure it's selected. Clearing these will remove any stored files that could be conflicting with your site's audio. Once you've cleared the cache, it's essential to restart Chrome. This allows the changes you made to take effect, and hopefully, this resolves the sound issue. However, if you're still facing problems, there might be an issue with your computer's audio output settings. Double-check that your system is routing audio to the correct output device, like your speakers or headphones. And if after all these efforts you're still having trouble, a simple computer restart could be your best friend. Sometimes, temporary glitches can block audio from playing, and restarting your machine can resolve these transient issues. I hope these steps have been helpful in getting the sound back on for your favorite websites in Chrome. If you have any other tech-related questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other videos for more helpful tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.